So, blue. Now, you probably know what I'm going to say. A lot of you have been asking me about the color blue. And I say the same thing every time. And if you keep asking me about it, I'm just, so I've got to make this video. Now, when it comes to blue, I think we all know the first thing that comes to mind. But of course, it's not really helpful to think of it in that way. So in order to learn something about that color, you've got to really think, what is blue and where does it come from? And what is underneath blue? And I mean, if you think about it, the opposite of blue is clearly red, so you gotta think about the relationship between red and blue and what would be halfway between them. And now, depending on your perspective, you might think that's yellow, or you might think it's like a sort of a purpley brown, but you're both wrong, and there is actually nothing between red and blue. But that was actually not known until I discovered it last week. I check the history books from last week, you will see my name in there. And I hope this has been helpful. I mean, you've all been asking me about blue, and finally now you know. So I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.